Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Gil Trading Lab. If you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a pre-session analysis on EURUSD and I'm going to be starting from the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to be starting from the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, my swing structure is bearish. This is my swing structure. It has been bearish to facilitate the daily internal pullback. Price has pulled back, mitigated this demand over here, and since then we've been having this bullish order flow to facilitate the swing pullback. So currently, for today's session, we are currently in the swing pullback phase. Within the 4-hour leg, there is no any supply for price to mitigate where the swing lower high could be formed from. So I'm willing to follow this for bullish order flow to this high until price sweeps this high. Because there's no supply, I think for my view, I just see the price is going to target this high. And even from the daily time frame, we've had a bullish touch. This line is the daily time frame fractal high. This high is a daily fractal high. It has been broken, so it's a good signal that the daily internal pullback has ended and price is likely to target this is the daily swing high. So for today's session, I'm willing to look for longs to keep following this bullish order flow. So during session, price might if there isn't any demand here, but if the current candle, if it closes like the way it is, price will have formed a demand over here, and it will be where I'll be interested in looking for longs from. But price doesn't have to pull back to here. If we get even an M15 demand here, valid demand zone here over here, I'll be interested in looking for longs from it. So for the session, I'm willing to keep looking for this order flow, to keep following this order flow to this high. This is where I'm expecting some bearish pressure from. So if price pulls back and sweeps this high, then we get a bearish order flow. It will be a good signal also that price will be ready to target this low. Even if we are in the daily internal pullback and we are expecting the daily in the lower high to be higher low to be formed, internal lower high to be formed, I really rely on the 4-hour time frame. So I will let the 4-hour time frame guide for me if the daily internal pullback will end. So if the moment that 4-hour will switch bullish is the moment I will truly confirm that price is ready to target this high. So for now we've had but this daily bullish touch is it's enough. It's a sign, but I'll let the 4-hour guide me. I'll follow the trend until it shifts. So let's drop down to the M15. On the M15, my swing structure is bullish. This is my current swing structure that I'm working with, the whole of this leg, and this is my internal structure. So I want to look for longs. So currently longs are phase A2. Phase A2. You can trade directly from these POIs, but I usually let the current day's price action guide me, so I can know if the zones will hold. So what I will be wanting to see today is price pullback to these demands from bullish order flow. Then I'll be willing to look for longs from these fractal lows that I will form from when price mitigates this zone. These zones, either this or this. So if price pulls back to here, then we get the bullish order flow, or from here, then we get the bullish order flow shift, then I'll be willing to look for longs from the session demands that will have formed. Also, this move is overextended for me. So if price forms like a structure like that, then I'll reset my internal structure and start focusing on this price action that will be forming from this pullback. So if price forms something like this, then I'll be waiting for it to shift bullish. I'll be expecting this 4-hour fractal low, this M15 internal low, which I've marked currently as my M15 strong internal low, is the 4-hour fractal low. So if price pulls back to this low, then we get an internal boss. Then I'll be happy to catch these higher lows, targeting the week swing high. Hope you all got my view for the session. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video. Yeah, and I wish you all a wonderful and a blessed day.